Fridays with Oscar is one of my favorite blog posts to shoot, and it's turned into one of our readers' favorites. One reason is that we kick off the weekend with a fresh cocktail. Or is that a cocktail with fresh ingredients? I think that's it. And I love to just search through books, cocktail books, Pinterest, the internet, whatever just suits my fancy. But once I find a cocktail that I like, then we're going to put it on the blog. Today, we are concocting not Romeo and Juliet, no, but Juliet and Romeo. This week I'm sharing a recipe from one of my favorite food bloggers turned cookbook author, and that's Skinny Taste. And she loves to serve up a variety of tacos, but this week it's a very, very healthy version of a taco. Actually, it's a fish taco, it's a raw fish taco. It's an ahi tuna poke jicama taco. And since I've been on a fitness journey, I really love to share those recipes that are not only tasty, but good for us. For the ahi tuna tacos, you're gonna wanna start off with sushi grade tuna. And we're gonna cut it up into cubes, and then we'll marinate it for 20 minutes with sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and sesame seeds. Once the tuna has a chance to marinate for about 20 minutes in our little marinade sauce, then it's time to assemble the tacos. And what I love about these tacos and what makes them healthy is that we are replacing the tortilla, a corn or flour tortilla, with the jicama. So this is going to be our base. But we all know what the best part of Fridays with Oscar is, and that's our main star, Oscar. Oscar, you want to say hi? Can you give me 5? Oh, good boy. All right, gang, cheers to the weekend.